Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Gnosis token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Gnosis GNO is a decentralized ecosystem building open user-owned financial infrastructure governed by its community and powered by its native token. Evolved from prediction markets into a full stack provider of assets custody, decentralized trading, and real world payments. Its technology stack includes flagship products like Safe, Cow Protocol, intent based trading, and Gnosis Pay crypto payment cards. The GNO token is the economic and governance backbone used for staking and directing the ecosystem via Gnosis DAO. Gnosis project institution rating is 3.8. Gnosis token total supply is 2.99 million and circulating supply is around 2.63 million GNO token. GNO token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Bithumb, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85%. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.